Hi everyone, welcome to Xingmingda. We specialize in design and producing wrapping machine, lamination machine, advanced machine, slot machine, cutting machine. It's widely applied in home decorative banner industry, such as door, window, cabinets, aluminum materials. It can help you to achieve perfect processing. Choosing Xingmingda, you can get its core advantages. First, quality-oriented with the foundation of our corporate culture. Second, efficient service with 24-hour quickly response and exclusive VIP for you. Third, outstanding brand reputation with continuous industry influence. Fourth, rapid after-sales service to quickly solve your worries. Fifth, 20 years of deep industry experience and profound professional accumulation. Sixth, safe and reliable cooperation to ensure your business and funds are risk-free. Seventh, we are the first enterprise to perfectly master the processing technology of transparent film and thin board. Eighth, our equipment will help you gain absolute advantage in global market competition. At Xingmingda, we always take technology and quality at the core, deeply focused on the customer needs, pursue ultimate customer satisfaction, and strive to compete for the strongest competitiveness in the industry. We have our own brand, Xingmingda, aiming to create top-tier products and a brand reputation in this industry. If you are looking at a reliable manufacturer, please feel free to contact us. There are professional sales consultants to contact you.